Let's be real, okay? Posting "I'm open to work" on your field is not a client acquisition strategy. And spamming 100 DMs a day, that is just a fast track to seal zone. So if you're tired of chasing clients or waiting forever for one to magically appear, you need to learn that secret sauce. Push versus pull. This one mindset shift will change the way you market your freelance business forever. Here's what's happening to most freelancers. Some are pushing too hard. Cold DMs, random job boards, lowballing offers. They're desperate and it shows. Others are too passive. They post once every 3 months, then wait for leads to discover them, and wonder why it's too quiet. Both are missing strategy. And since there's no plan, it's either feast or famine. Hey guys, it's Jam of Barangay V University, and welcome to our latest series called No Experience to Freelancing Model Spoon Feed Edition. So if up to now you still don't have this Notion board, why? Or almost at the end, why? Go to that link in the description box, okay? And open that because everything that you need are all there. Going back, I'm about to give the solution to your problem, so might as well like, share, and hit that notification bell, subscribe, because what I'm about to tell you today is value bomb. What if I tell you that there's a way to balance both push and pull? Let's break it down real quick, okay? Push method. This means you go to them. What does it look like? Sending strategic and personalized DMs, applying to job posts or job boards, engaging with your dream clients' content, attending networking events and webinars. The key here is intention. Do not spam, do not pitch on the first message, build trust and offer value. Second is pull method, they come to you. This is where the magic happens. Clients find you. What does it look like? Posting content that solves problems in your niche, sharing case studies, testimonials behind the scenes, building a clear and optimized profile on LinkedIn, Instagram, or whatever platform that is, or maybe a website. Creating lead magnets, building your community, email lists, or showing up consistently. You're pulling them in with value. Value, positioning, and proof. Think of it like dating. Push is asking someone out. Pull is being so attractive. Then they ask you out. The best freelancers, they do both. Both push and pull. How do we balance the push and pull strategy? If you're just starting, you'll learn heavier on the push method. You need that momentum, okay? But as you grow, focus more on the pull method. That is how you build a sustainable brand. Let's create a weekly client plan example, okay? Every week, do 3 cold DMs or applications. This is push. Create 2 content posts. This is pull. Do 1 engagement sprint. This is push. Do 1 testimonial post or portfolio drop. This is pull. This combo keeps your pipeline healthy and very predictable. Remember guys, clients don't just show up. It's either you go to them or give them a reason to come to you. Smart freelancers, we do both. Thank you and good luck.